Good morning, this is Ted. I thought I'd give you a quick tour around the RS Turbo Series 1 that we've got to do. Just try and show some of the defects on the car. I'm sure you'll be able to tell by the reflections in the paint from the lights just what we're going to be dealing with. Looks like it's been snow semmed, and there's lots of bits of rubbish that you probably won't be able to see clearly, but I'm sure you'll get some idea of the state that the car is in. Obviously can only show you these, with the lights on. I think this is gonna need all my skill to try and get back anywhere near a decent finish. It's one of these cars that I think even when it's done, it's still going to be a bit of a disappointment, but as long as we can get it somewhere near, the owner will be quite happy. But really it wants repainting, but to do it properly it's got to be stripped, and whether he wants to spend that sort of money I don't know, but we'll see what it comes out like when the job's done. And I'm sure I'm not going to get rid of most of these defects. But we'll see. Some of these jobs are sent to trials, and obviously this is one of them, so it's no good crying about it. We just got to get on and do it. I'll show you as the job goes on and see what improvements we can make. Thanks for watching.